wrapping a healthy big block and tough 5-speed in a detailed restoration. This coupe is a super cool muscle car that's ready to kick your weekends off with style. If you're in the market for a sweet classic that can be driven and shown without fear, don't miss the chance to own this head-turning 66 Chevelle. This Chevelle is a sharp weekend cruiser that currently presents much better than factory fodder. During the car's precise reboot, solid sheet metal was completely stripped of its dull original pigment, with that shell removed and its foundation massaged into great alignment. Corvette Rally Red base was sealed in mirror-like clear. Inside, you'll find a clean medium red interior that's both attractive and timeless. Tight vinyl buckets are in excellent shape, showing no signs of wear. In front of those seats, a lightly customized dash hangs a full suite of autometer gauges next to a modern head unit, and Chevelle-themed floor mats frame a factory console which anchors a Hurst shifter. Lift the hood to reveal a 396 cubic inch big block that sounds as good as it looks. Putting that GM power to the road is a Tremec 5-speed, sending power to a 12-bolt rear with 410 gears. Want to know the best thing about American muscle? The fact that it never goes out of style. Of the many awesome subcultures our hobby continues to spawn and support, American muscle is one of the most desirable and relatable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.